So hello and welcome back guys into a new video. So today in this video we are going to learn how to make a table in HTML. So without any delay, let's start our video. See, for making table in HTML, create an index.html file, then follow the instruction given by me and watch the video till the end. Firstly, you need a table tag to create a table in HTML. So let's create a table tag. So inside the table we need to insert a table row. In HTML we write table row using tr tag. So inside a table row we have to assign datas. So for adding the table datas we use the td tags. So first table data will be named as name. So let's duplicate it, and second will be class. Third is gonna be address, and fourth is gonna be phone number. Okay, the first table row is completed successfully. So let's check it that will this code even work or not. Yes, our code is working. So firstly, let's switch the view, and we don't need this kind of view. We need the view where this is surrounded by a border. So for surrounding by a border, we need to apply the attribute as table border equals to 1. So as you apply the border, you guys can see that border is applied, and this look far more better than the before one. So let's create another tr tag, again td, and duplicate these lines. So here in the name, firstly I am going to keep my name. Okay, class is gonna be, okay, come on, 9. Let's not keep it as class. Study. Okay, that study is fine. Okay, address is gonna be Kathmandu. Phone number is going to be 9876543210. Then again tr tag, again table data. Okay, so let's duplicate these lines. Again for the study gonna be 10, and location is gonna be Pokhara 980000. Okay, I'm just putting random phone numbers which are not valid. You guys can apply your own phone numbers here. So again, let's make a tr tag and apply the td tag for the next data. So here is gonna be a random detail ram. So let's studies is going to be +2. Okay, and address is going to be Chitwan. And after that, let's give this number 98 77665. Okay, let's give the random phone numbers, and again tr tag td tag, and let's give this Sham. After that, let's give him class 2 the address of Nepalganj. Sorry, it's capitalized, right? And then we are gonna give him the phone number of 9855443322. Sorry, 2. and let's close this tag. Yes, so like this we guys can you guys can create a table in HTML. Just you need to do is create a table tag inside body tag, and then insert the data inside TD tag, where TD is surrounded by a TR tag. TR stands for a table row, where you guys can add a data inside the row, and after that you can insert the table data inside that table row using the TD tag. So as you have seen in this table, I wrote TR, and simply this row is formed. You guys can see this row is just fill inside this both tags. So we apply the TR tag to keep those uh, names in the orders and other information in order. So TR tag, TD tag, and information. So guys, this was all for today's video. Hope you like it. Please do not forget to like this video, comment and share this video to your friends, and also subscribe to this channel so that you could not miss the latest video.